Hey y'all, here we are, we're at the racetrack. The pro shifter race on Friday afternoon here, just finishing up. They might have a lap or two left to go. Just got it done running. We mounted a fuel tank. We got a fuel tank from our buddy Jamal. Appreciate it, Jamal. This tank was on his little 125 super cart that I had built. I put that tank on. It was actually originally on this cart the first time I ran it, when I borrowed this cart from Scott. I had to put this little tank on because the big tank that came with the cart was this much taller and it was this much wider, and I couldn't fit in between the engine and the seat. So we put this little tank on. We went to Mid-Ohio, and we didn't think we were going to make it on fuel because that tank won't really go 45 minutes. So that being said, here we are again. We took it off of Jamal's cart. He took it off, offered to let me use it. The mounting system was a little bit different. We spent the day today getting the mounts hooked up, fixed up, and all that stuff. We got it on, got it plumbed up. No leaking, no nothing. Everything's good. Tomorrow the race is only 40 minutes long, so Lord willing, we're gonna finish the race.
Leave it to the damn drums.
That's it. We'll bring you some practice in the morning, and hopefully some race video on top, high on top of the helmet tomorrow. Unless of course it storms, then we'll have to wait till Sunday. But that's it. God bless, Godspeed. Praying for y'all. Love you guys. You should have been here. Talk to you later.